Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of ultimate comfort and convenience with the QUDODO Large Lap Desk, the XXXL king of oversized lap tables, designed to elevate your study, work, or play experience right from your bed or couch. This multifunctional folding laptop stand boasts a spacious 26.4 by 20-inch desktop, providing ample room for your laptop, tablet, smartphone, books, and more, all within easy reach. With a remarkable load capacity of up to 88 pounds, this sturdy table features non-slip legs and an ergonomic design, ensuring you can comfortably bend and stretch your legs while working or relaxing. No installation is required. Simply unfold the legs to use and fold them back for easy storage, making it a perfect companion for adults, students, and children alike. The lap desk is packed with features like a cell phone and tablet holder, a wrist rest, and a convenient storage drawer for your small essentials, keeping everything organized and accessible. Plus, with a 3-year warranty and a commitment to resolving any issues within 12 hours, you can enjoy peace of mind and a seamless shopping experience. Don't miss out on transforming your home office or study setup with this versatile and feature-rich QUDODO Large Lap Desk.